secrets of a happy life, where everyone has its own talent, perseverance, and dreams, to never be afraid. Just be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A young lady standing before you is fresh and indeed innocent, just only 17-year-old father. And I'm proud and humbled to represent my beloved municipality, where the municipality of Aklan. I am from Banal, Salcedo. By the way, this is RCK Garcia na nagsasabi na ang tao kapag mataas ay ang siyang unti-unting ibinababa. At ang tao kapag pakumbaba ay ang siyang unti-unting itinataas. Because we are born to be true, not to be perfect. Thank you so much.
Let's proceed to candidate number 2.
Journey, a long road from beginning to never ending. It is like a cycle together with a maze. Your choice, your path and your ways. So hold on to the boot of life and let's celebrate the greatest joyride. What a spectacular and blissful evening to each and everyone, or should I say, naimbag marabili ka na kayo amin. This baby girl is standing before you is Amna Gabriel, 21 years old stunner, is hailing all the way last from the cleanest, greenest, and safest municipality, from the municipality of Santo Domingo. Judges, I am your candidate number 2. Mark my number, because tonight, I will give you the best show and a night to remember. At bago pa palisanin ang maraming sulok na entablado ito, ay nais mo muna magdiwan ng katagaan. Ti Ilocano, managbabain. Ngem lumabartek, mangibabain. Joke lang ako. Thank you so much and happy fiesta.
Let's proceed to candidate number 3.
Pwede po ba akong makahingi ng kahit konting palakpakan naman dyan? Maraming salamat. Ilang libong panahon na po ang nakakaraan, iisang layunin ang pinagulan. Pinagbulot-bulot ng isang kabaklahan upang sa mahusay na pagpapakilanlan. Sa layo pa po ng aming pinanggalingan, sa dami ng pagsubok na aming dinanas, narito po kami sa inyong harapan. Hindi upang laingin o tsayin niyo pong pagtawanan. Dahil ngayong gabi po, kami po ay mag-iwan ng kasaysayan dito sa barangay na inyo pong nasasakupan. Batid ko po yung pawang mga edukado, intelihente, professional ang ating mga hurado ngayong gabi. Kaya sa mga ilang kandidata, ibigay po natin ang 100% ng respeto at pagpapakilala. Dahil 50% po ng mga hurado ngayong gabi ay pawang mga bata. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, standing before you is a beautiful creation of God. A 22 years old stunner, a half Filipino, and a half Filipino. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, I am Danny Gatoza, hailing all the way last from the new 7 wonder cities of the world, from the heritage province of Vigan City. And as my co-candidates are using their own screen name, please do allow me tonight to be your one and only. Ang nagpalibog po minsan sa puso, na ito pong pinakamamahal na Daniel Padilla. At minsan na rin pong sumira na yung pinakamamahal na tambalang Katniel. The brilliant endorser itself, ladies and gentlemen, bakit hindi niyo po palakpakan ng iyawan na nag-iisa? Miss Andrea Brillantes. Miss Andrea Brillantes na nagsasabing, bakla ka pa din siya-rin kahit anong kung langit ang itawag niyo sa amin. Dahil amin ang gabi nito. Dahil mismo hanggang dito sa likod, mula sa ulo, tagahanga lang namin po kayo. Dahil hindi natin matatakasan ng baklang inyo pong nilalait-lait sa pag-umagahan, kinig siya sa tanghalian. Inyo pong pinapalakpakan, hinihingi binibigyan ko ng pinagpupuyatan. Yun lang, huwag maraming salamat. Enjoy the show.
Let's proceed to candidate number 4.
Wala po ba hilawan dyan? Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Kung ang perlas ng silangan ay nasa kalagatan, pwes nasa inyong harapan ang perlas ng kagandahan. Glorious and magnificent evening to each and everyone. Standing before you is a fresh 18 years old stunner. My name is Jam Yoro, all the way from Randay, Katipunan, Sinain, Ilocos. At ako po ay nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihan. Hindi lahat ng magaganda ay babae. Yung iba, may titis!
Let's proceed to candidate number 5.
This is Ashley Saludas Rosette, 18, from the gateway town of the greatest Filipino painters, Juan Luna Indonesia. And it shows in place at the Virgen de la Grosa, Municipality of Bago!
Let's proceed to candidate number 6.
Good evening, people of Puerto. Nagsamo tumay. A graduate at University of the Philippines, Diliman, with a degree of pedigree. And currently taking my master degree at University of Baguio. Yes, indeed, a graduate at Sinawit National High School with highest honor. Opo, lahat po ng napakinggan nyo ay nabasa ko lamang po sa Facebook. Hi, hello mga buhay! My name is Brian Agbayani Ventura, 19, 20, 22, less than 50, and I take pride to represent from Makabiag, Sinait, Ilocos Sur. If my all candidates using their own spelling, please do allow me to stand by that name. Your Miss Universe 2024. Yes, I am Chelsea Manalo. Na si Miss Chelsea Manalo po ay nag-iwan ng isang talagang hindi ko makakalimutan. Nasabi na nila, huwag kang mag-alala kung single ka dahil sa mata ng bulim, hindi ka nag-iisa. Maraming salamat po.
Let's proceed to candidate number 7.
I firmly believe that life is like a journey, a long road from beginning to never ending. Like a cycle, like a maze. Your choice, your path, your ways. So walk on into the wheel of life and celebrate the greatest joyride. Good evening, beautiful people of Barangay
Sinai Ilocosur. I am Ryan James Namagen na nagsasabing hindi lahat ng masarap, mahal, kagaya ni Kuya, masarap, pero di minahal. Good evening. Let's proceed to next.
Anak siya ni Lar, apo siya ni Juicy, anak siya ni Apple. Okay, I am candidate number 8. Sa ngalan ng mga pitong Dragon Ball, si candidate number 5, mukhang Bonbon. Sa ngalan ng mga pitong Hokage, ang susunod sa akin, amoy kain. This is E.F. Gonzara, 19, all the way from the famous floating cottages, Cagayaquil Norte, Sinai, Ilocos Sur. Kunada, nagpintas ang talong. Game ko lang net, ang anuwek pimintas ko, medyak maramanan aming nga basketball player yun. Hep! Hooray! Okay, thank you. Good evening.
Let's proceed to candidate number 9.
Hooray! To be, to win, or to lose. If there's a very hard question, but the answer is up to you. In every competition, there's always a winner and there's always a loser. But one thing I want to say is, you should accept the fact, situation, and the reality. Good evening, Barangay Pato. My name is Mary Anna, 22 years old, all the way from the first class municipality of Ilocos, Bagnos, Cabugao. And I'm studying at the Ilocos Community College, taking yung Bachelor of Hospitality Management. At si May Anong po na nag-iwan ng isang kasabihan, hindi lahat ng dilim ay tumatagal. Yung iba, tumangkangkal. Thank you.
And the last but not the least, candidate number 10.
Hi, hello, and mabuhay. My name is Ara Rivera, a 18-year-old starter all the way from Barangay Balwende, Sinai, Ilocos Sur, na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan. Awan pinalubog, kinapita at dalan, nasugal, di papadaan, ay, thank you!
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 10 lovely ladies